Hey everyone, it's Darcy Downey with Trilliant Real Estate Group, and I'm here at 12 Songbird Green, and I'm just meeting my client here to show her for the first time this beautiful home. Hi Darcy. Hi Marissa. Nice to meet you. Let's go on in and take a look at this house. Welcome to this beautiful home. As you walk in, we got some built-in lockers here for the kids' coats to go. And we have a front attached double garage. Then we have main floor laundry. So just nice added convenience. Central vac, storage on the other side. Your two-piece guest powder room with quartz countertops and a pocket door.
Yeah, I really like this pocket door. Big space.
And then wait till you walk around this area into the main part of the house.
Oh, this is nice.
Can you see yourself here? Cooking with the kids can be playing here. Nice sized dining area. Gives you access out to your back deck. And in behind the backyard here is a waterfall. This is right in your backyard.
Oh, this is wonderful. I like all the windows with the natural lighting.
So again, quartz countertops in the kitchen, lots of counter space, pantry area.
Oh, the sliding pantry. I like that too. It's really nice.
Black stainless steel appliances. You got your wine fridge here in the corner.
Perfect.
And added bonus of a gas range.
I like that a lot. I like the black appliances too.
Makes it really elegant. Eh?
Yeah.
And then floor to ceiling brick around your gas fireplace. Nice cozy spot to sit at the end of the day. And down here, this could be a main floor master. Right now it's being used as a nursery, but what the convenience of having a main floor master.
Yeah.
So nice big walk-in closet.
That's really nice. Lots of space.
And then check out your ensuite.
Oh, the double sink. I like that.
Double sinks again, quartz countertops.
Yeah.
Nice surround.
Very nice.
And then let's go check out upstairs.
I really like the decor in here too. With the
This makes it feel really homey.
yeah.
There's lots of windows, natural light. You can't go wrong kind of property.
No kidding. I love these doors.
The barn doors.
Yes. Oh.
Close everything off. Just gives you that little bit of added privacy here. With it being the only room upstairs,
Yeah.
it's your own master retreat.
But I like how, you know, you wake up and you open it up and then you can
Take a look at it.
yeah, exactly.
So then again, here's your master retreat if you would like to use it, or a kid's bedroom. But again, you got another big walk-in closet. And this ensuite is to die for. Go in and take a look at it.
Okay. Oh yeah. The shower and the tub. I love this bathtub.
Could you see yourself in there reading a book after a long day on the ice
No kidding.
with those kids? And then take a look out that window is a green space. So you have nobody across from you.
Yeah.
And then your separate stand-up shower.
Is there like walking trails and stuff back there?
There is walking trails all around there.
Awesome. I love that. I love going for walks and being outside. Yeah, this is a nice deep tub too. I really like the black appliances and the black accents. Really nice.
the basement because this is a fully finished property. So there's nothing to do. It's just move-in ready. So what do you think of it so far?
I really like it. I could definitely see myself here. Absolutely. It's a good community too.
It is, and it does have direct access, really close access to Highway 11, so if you want to commute into Red Deer. So downstairs has 2 bedrooms and great sized bedrooms and large windows, so all that natural light comes in, even in the basement. And then another full bathroom down here.
Yeah.
And there's another great feature about being in 60 West is the golf stadium is right up the hill. So it's actually walking distance to go watch a ball game in town.
Nice.
Yes,
So 3.5 bath.
that's correct. Yes.
That's really
And then this is another bedroom here. Again, large windows.
Yeah,
They're using it as a gym right now, but it definitely could be a bedroom. And it does have a large walk-in closet.
I like the idea of having a gym because health and fitness is so important to me. So it's nice to see like this laid out as a gym.
Gives you an idea of what
Yeah.
it would look like.
And then you don't always have to actually go to the gym, especially when the weather is bad. So it's like nice. Lots of storage for weights and stuff too. Nice.
For sure, if you were to use it as a gym, yeah. Tuck everything away and
Good idea.
then we have a wet bar.
Nice. I do really like that.
So when you're downstairs enjoying a movie with your kids, you can have your popcorn here, all your drinks, all that kind of stuff. No running up and downstairs.
Yeah, I really like this. I like the big windows too. Like even though you're in a basement, it doesn't feel like dark. It doesn't feel like a basement. You still get a lot of like natural light.
And with it south-facing, you'll have sun in your backyard all day.
Yeah, which is awesome when you're upstairs waking up. You can open up those barn doors.
That's right. So it was really nice showing you the house, Marissa, and really nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking with you later about this property.
Thanks for taking the time.
You're welcome.